Sony's Xperia XZ3 has hit the market with a series of innovations focused on improving the consumption experience of audiovisual content, such as Sony Bravia technology and S-Force front surround sound. This is data that reflects trends in the mobile sector, and in this sense, Sony has developed a smartphone focused on the consumption of audiovisual content, which has the certification of Netflix and YouTube. Xperia XZ3 presents a 6-inch screen and an aspect ratio of 18:9, with QHD+ resolution, manufactured on an OLED panel with proprietary technology from Bravia televisions, such as HDR or Trilumens, which provides contrast, clarity and color, and X-Reality processing engine for higher resolution. The smartphone features a speaker system on both sides of the screen, with S-Force front surround technology to play surround sound. It integrates a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, and presents a configuration of 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of RAM, and a 3.330 mAh battery.